Okay, I've taken the mag cover off just to show you a little bit about what's in there. Of course, that's the back of the crank. You can see the little timing mark here that Scott's got. He marks one side of the drive dog red, so you know how the magneto came out. And if you don't turn the engine or the mag or anything, you should be able to just plug it right in and timing should be okay. We're still going to check it, but you can see on the magneto, so it's going to go in with the body of the magneto up and right in place. Sorry, I'm one-handed here, so I can't do it all at once. But as long as it's installed, and then of course there's a little tick mark on the side of the mag to line up with that mark there, and that should be your 26 degrees before top dead center. So I'm going to go ahead and put this together quick, and then we'll go over how to verify timing after you've got it installed.